viewers, this is Clastro Tech and Dev, and this is a YouTube channel based on tech development and programming. Today we are gonna see how to connect your website to Metamask and more about it after starting. Before starting, please like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my future tech videos. And also visit my other channel, Clastron Gaming. All links in the description. Now we can start. As I've already said, we are gonna see how to connect your website to Metamask. Now why we need? See, Web3 and blockchain development are taking the world by storm. It is gonna be very useful and famous in the future in some 1 to 3 years. So you if you do crypto, you have seen some crypto or web3 websites has connect button or connect to Metamask button or connect button. Now what does it do? If you have clicked it, you have seen that it connects to one of your wallets. It can be Binance wallet, smart wallet, or Metamask, or this or that, trust wallet, many wallets. But today we are going to see how to connect to Metamask only and Ethereum network. Before going into the code, first we are gonna see the necessary things we are gonna need. So firstly, I'm gonna do, I think this is, I'm gonna do less size. Okay, this is good. So before starting, see, Metamask doesn't connect to non-HTTPS websites. It only connects to HTTPS websites, not non-HTTPS website. It doesn't connect to local websites or local file websites or any other address website. It only connects to HTTPS website. So how to get this? If you run this code or your code from a local laptop, you're gonna always get a local file address, but Metamask is not gonna connect to that. So how to get a HTTPS address? First, if you are using Visual Studio Code, if you are using Visual Studio Code only, I am using Visual Studio Code, then first you are gonna go to extension tab, then search live server. You have to search LIVESERVER, live server. Then you are gonna see the first one, and I think it will be default installed into your computer or VS Code. But if it is not installed, you're gonna click into it and then install. After this is installed, everything is set and we can go. Now still we can't run from here. We need to click this button in this bottom ribbon. This bottom ribbon, we need to click this go live button to get the HTTPS address, not this one. So now everything is ready and I written the code first and I'm going to explain to you all the steps. Firstly, we are going to get a HTML file and get the basic structure, that is write with doc type HTML head, then title. I have given the title Clastro competitions home, then head, then body, then header connecting to Metamask, then a button. Now what does this button do? If we click onto the button, firstly it will run connect function. What is function and what is connect function, we are gonna go into it later, but understand that if we click on it, on click attribute will run, which is gonna run the connect function. Then we give an ID, a recognition ID of this button element. What is that? Connect button. I gave a recognition ID of this button and that ID is connect button. After that, we need to give the button's label, what is connect to Metamask, and it is also inner HTML value. It is also called inner HTML value. Inner HTML value is the value which is inside the HTML tags, like this title, then connect to Metamask, like this, which is connect to Metamask is inside the button tag. This class competition home is inside the home tag, like the title tag. Then This is the button. Then we are gonna go script src this. Now what is script? If we are gonna write the JavaScript code inside of HTML file, if you write the JavaScript code inside of a HTML file, we are gonna close it with script. But we are getting the source file of it. See, we need web3.js library for this. Now it is not default installed. We need to install it using node.js or install it in or we don't need to install it. We just need to get the source file, and it is located in this address, this https cdnjs.cloudflare.com ajax leaves web3 127 web3.mean.js. This I'm gonna give the address in the description. So this is the address you are gonna write. After that, you are gonna close it with script. Now again another script tag, because the previous script tag was of the source JavaScript code. Now this is the main, our front end JavaScript code. First we are gonna open with function connect. See, now the function connect starts. What is function? Function is a block of code. It is in most of the programming languages. It is a block of code which runs only if we call it. Now we are calling it when we click the button, so it will run when we click the button. And the name of the function is connect. And what does this function connect do? Firstly, we are gonna write if statement, if condition. Now what is condition? Type of window.ethereum exclamation mark equals to undefined. First, see, type of window.ethereum. So window.ethereum type of, we are gonna check a type of window.ethereum. Then we are gonna get, so type of window.ethereum. Now what is ethereum here? Ethereum is the network of which we are going to connect. So type of ethereum is, what is this symbol? This is not equal to symbol. Exclamation equal to is not equal to, is not equal to undefined. Now undefined means nothing. So if it is not equals to nothing, which means is there is something. So if there is some window.ethereum, that means Metamask is there. Not only Metamask, it will be any wallet which has Ethereum network. So if it happens, we are gonna go, if it is true, we are gonna go inside of this block. If this block of code runs only when this condition is true. Now what is this block? Firstly, I commented, this is a comment tag, which is Metamask is there. Then window.ethereum.request. So you're gonna request Ethereum. Now what we are gonna request? Then we are gonna give parenthesis and then method. Then we are gonna request each request accounts. See, we are requesting accounts. Then close it with semicolons. Then next line, console.log. It is gonna log this text into the JavaScript console. The text is connected successfully. So then document, we are gonna close it with semicolon, and then finally document.get element by id connect button.inner html is connected. So what is this get element by id? Firstly, it is gonna get the element, html element which has the id, this id. What id? Connect button id. Now which element has that connect button by id? That is this connect to metamask button tag has connect button id. So it is gonna call that element. Then dot inner html, I already said what is inner html. Inner html is the inner html value of a tag. So we are going to change this inner html value of button. Then we are going to change it to connected. So connected test, we are going to change connect to metamask to connected. That means the account is connected. Then else, if the condition, this condition is false, we're gonna run this code, which is metamask is not there. So first we are gonna alert, first install metamask. Now what is alert? See, if you saw many websites, you're when you do some action, you're gonna see a box come from the top which says something, some message. Now here it will be the same with the message is first install Metamask. So then a alert box or message box comes which has first install Metamask. Then console.log which is gonna log this text to the console which is Metamask is not installed. If Metamask is not installed, it is gonna log this text into the console. So this is the whole connection thing. And then finally close the functions and if statement, and then finally go to script, and then finally close all the file with tags. Now this is the main connect button, and now let's test if it works. As I've said, I'm gonna click go live button, because if we click this button it is gonna not gonna go with https address. We're just gonna click go live which is gonna go with https address. Then firstly I'm gonna right click and then go to inspect. Then this area, this tab comes, and then go to this console tab. It may not be in this position, it is gonna be in another position, but find it and get to this console tab, and this console comes. Then see, two things is there connecting to Metamask. See, what is this? Firstly I give this header connecting to Metamask header onto that web page, and it is this only. Then finally connect to Metamask button comes. So this is connect to Metamask button. See, if we click it, a Metamask uh, appears. Metamask. Let me open it. Wait here. Let me get the Metamask. Wait. Okay. Now this connect to Metamask appears, and we are going to choose which account we are going to connect to. So there is only one account, I'm going to choose that only. Then next, and then get this, see address, account balance, activity and suggest transactions to approve. We're going to select that and then go connect. Now it is connected to our web page. So as I've said, it is going to connect to our Metamask, this web page, and it connected. Now also see one thing, if we see one thing, there is also HTML. This globe means there is also HTML. This is a HTML web page. So as you have wanted, I hope this is enough. I am gonna write the code in the description, and I have given the full explanation and some more good things like live server. It is not required. Yes, it is required, but it is not required. We just need HTTPS thing. If it comes, then live server is not required, because HTTPS is needed for Metamask to connect, or else it is not going to connect to any other web page until or unless it is HTTPS. So this is the code. I have given the explanation. This is enough for today. Like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my future tech videos. Also visit my other channel, Clastro Gaming. All links in the description, and bye bye.